Hi, today I will show you how you can easily create images for your website post. So basically, when we publish a article on our WordPress website, we need a image for the front. Like we want to add a feature image on our website. To create a feature image, you can take the help of Canva. Basically, Canva provides many features and it is easy to use, because if you are not a graphics designer and don't know how you can create images, then you can use the Canva and you will easily create the images for your website featured image. So let's try it. So it is our website post and I want to give a featured image here. So if I want to add a featured image here, I need to create a featured image. So first of all, we need to see what is our topic of the post and article. The article is about the hottest wearable tech and smart gadgets. So let's copy the title from here. Then we need to go on our Canva and you need to create a account on Canva to use it. So if you have created your account, then just go to the Canva and log in, then search for website post and you will get lots of pre created templates here and you can easily use them for free. If you want to use it, then just choose a post from here. Like I want to choose mm, okay, I chose this template. Then just click on the customize this template and you will get the template here. Then I will paste the title here and let's do some edits here. Okay, so I just add it here and that's it. It is the basic just how you can create a image easily using the templates. Here I have not added any context, just use the pre-created a template to use it on our featured image. So you can customize it as per your needs, use elements from here, like you can search for gadgets and you will see here many graphics and you can use them here also. Like let's use it here, let's delete this and we can use this or this temp icon image here, tech smart gadgets, and let's put it hottest wearable tech smart gadgets, and that's basics. Like we can put it also on here and so and we can edit here. make it smaller, and yeah, that's it. Whatever I will take guesses, and then just click on share and download. Click on the download, and this image will be downloaded. Then I have saved it and go to the post, and I will click replace image, upload, click pictures, and download this image and upload. And that's how we have uploaded the image, and then set featured image, then update. It's very easy task, just you need to put some effort here to create the featured image. And you can see how we have created a image for our WordPress website article. So if you want to add a new post, just you need to click on the post and then add your title and or your context, then go to the blog post and set your featured image here. That's it. And I have added the featured image here, and it's done. Thank you all.